V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax review, legit or scam. Now, the V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax is marketed as an easy-to-use solution for removing car scratches and restoring paint. However, a closer examination of customer reviews and product details raises concerns about its effectiveness and legitimacy. Now, for the customer feedback and performances, it has reports from many users that the product does not remove scratches as advertised. Instead, it behaves like a standard polish, offering minimal to no improvement on scratched surfaces. Product sizes and value. Customers have noted that the product comes in small quantities, which may not justify its price, especially given its limited effectiveness. For the potential damage as well, some users have experienced adverse effects such as dulling of the paint and additional micro abrasions after using the product. There are a lot of red flags about this and the company, like misleading marketing. The product's promotional materials may exaggerate its capabilities, leading to unrealistic expectations. The lack of transparency in this about the manufacturer and the product is often sold under the different brand names, making it challenging to verify its own origin and quality. So based on the available information and customer feedback, the V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax does not perform as claimed and may not be a worthwhile investment. Consumers are advised to approach this product with caution and consider more reputable alternatives for car scratch repair needs. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.